Welcome to the Alurium aCloud tutorial series episode 1, Creating a Compute Instance. In this tutorial, we'll create a new compute instance, install the Apache web server on it, create a hello world page, acquire an IP, set up port forwarding on our firewall, and then finally test the site via a browser. So let's get started. I'm going to log into our test account. We'll go ahead and click on Instances. We have no instances running. I'll click on Add an Instance. Select CentOS. Select the size of 1 CPU and 1 gig of RAM. I don't need any additional disk space. And give our server a name. Okay, the instance has been launched. First thing I'm going to do is copy the password. It's very important to grab that password, otherwise you won't be able to log into your server. Next, I'm going to click on the display box, which will open up a console to our server, and we can watch the server as it starts up. Okay, we'll log in as root with the password assigned to the server. And we're going to install the Apache web server on the box. Now that Apache is installed, we'll create a default page in the web root of the server. And finally, we'll start the web server. Now let's go back to our control panel. What we need to do is go out and acquire a new IP for our account. Once that IP has been added to the account, we're going to set up port forwarding. So we're going to take port 80, map it to port 80 internally, going to our web server. Now we can copy this IP. And there it is. We're hitting our web server. So in this tutorial, we launched a new instance, installed the Apache web server on it, created a hello world page, grabbed an IP, set up for port forwarding on our firewall, and then finally tested the site. Thank you for watching this tutorial and look forward to new episodes coming out soon.